certification incorporates ChatGPT as an essential tool to assist candidates in enhancing their learning and productivity. ChatGPT offers intelligent, real-time support in a variety of tasks that align with the objectives of the certification. It can help candidates. ChatGPT is an innovative AI tool that revolutionizes how we work, learn, and communicate. It offers intelligent, human-like interactions, making it the perfect companion for individuals across all walks of life. Powered by advanced language processing, ChatGPT provides accurate, insightful, and creative solutions to a wide range of challenges. Whether you're a student seeking academic assistance, a professional looking for business strategies, or a creative mind searching for inspiration, ChatGPT seamlessly adapts to your needs. One of its standout features is its versatility. ChatGPT can draft emails, create presentations, brainstorm ideas, explain complex topics, and write engaging stories or poems. With multilingual support, it bridges communication gaps and ensures global accessibility. Its ability to simplify tasks such as coding, data analysis, and project management boosts productivity while saving time. ChatGPT also excels as a learning partner, offering clear explanations, solving problems, and providing constructive feedback. Its potential extends beyond personal use. It can enhance customer service, streamline workflows, and foster team collaboration. With round-the-clock availability, a user-friendly interface, and a privacy-focused design, ChatGPT redefines convenience and reliability. From simplifying daily tasks to tackling complex challenges, ChatGPT empowers users to achieve more, innovate faster, and communicate better. Key highlights of ChatGPT: advanced AI technology, delivers intelligent, human-like interactions. Versatility, adapts to diverse needs, including academic assistance, business strategies, and creative writing. Multilingual support, communicates fluently in over 95 languages, enabling global accessibility. Productivity booster, simplifies tasks such as drafting emails, creating presentations, coding, and managing projects. Creative partner, generates ideas, stories, poems, and marketing content effortlessly. Learning companion, explains complex topics, solves problems, and offers feedback for academic and personal growth. Business enhancer, supports customer service, workflow optimization, and team collaboration. 24/7 availability, always ready to assist, anytime, anywhere. User-friendly, features an easy-to-use interface that requires no technical expertise. Privacy-focused, ensures secure and confidential interactions. Time-saving, provides instant solutions, helping users work smarter, not harder. Problem solver, tackles real-world challenges with innovative and accurate solutions. Adaptable across domains, useful in IT, education, healthcare, marketing, and more. Global reach, bridges communication gaps with its advanced language capabilities. Future ready, continuously updates to deliver relevant and cutting-edge information.